We are having our home photographed for the estate agents today, so the house is looking nice and tidy, so I thought I would do a house tour of where we currently live. So it is fall yard, so we've decorated, and I think that it's kind of nice to just leave it rather than taking it down, because I feel like people can then sort of imagine how they would decorate for things like Christmas. Anyways, entryway, self-explanatory. This is our downstairs powder room, which really spacious. The neighbours have actually moved their toilet there, put their sink there, and have utilities there, like a washing machine, and it looks amazing next door. But anyways, I'm digressing. Excuse, there are little trays on every floor because, well, we've got 3 floors and 6 cats. So anyways, walking in, this is how this house differs from all of the other houses on the close. This was a new build when we bought it, I think 7-8 years ago. Anyways, there was a wall here and a wall here, and it went all the way, like the stairs were all closed in. It was a lot of wasted space. And we just didn't know why there was 2 doors into the same space. So we spoke to the people that built the house, and they said that there was no supporting beams. So we took down the walls, and it's opened up the space. So this is our living room, dining, kitchen area. Here we go. Ignore the cat. I know people get a bit funny about cats on surfaces, but you can't help it. As long as you clean when you're sorting food out, what can you do? She's cute anyways. But this is the kitchen. It is a nice kitchen, but this is one of the things I don't like about this house, because we are a family of people that love to cook, and we actually put this in. So this was the only workspace the house came with, and that's not enough space for a family of 4. So that is something that I would be looking forward to and was a must in choosing a new home. Anyways, huge dining tables. We like to host Christmases and birthday parties and stuff like that. Living space, beautiful cabinets my husband put up, which loads of storage space. Come along for part 2 where I'll show you upstairs. Oh, and this is the garden. We put some decking. It's a big garden. I mean, not a big garden, it's a small garden, but we've done a lot with space. So yeah, come back for part 2.